hey, check out this thing. Render a graph of your augmented abilities. So this is ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo with a Python server, and it is able to create graphs using GraphViz and .lang. So I've given it the ability to return JSON, or actually I've requested that it return JSON. Sometimes it breaks character and doesn't, but when it does, it can pass a .lang string, and then I will get the graph back here, and I can say, convert it to a left to right graph, and it should update the language to do that. And it did not do that. Make it flow left to right. Okay, there. Left to right, that's why. Yeah, but you can do other things like make a graph of the software development life cycle. And let's see if it can do that. And it can. Something else it can do is, what is Apple's current stock price? And it should do a web search and then scrape Yahoo to get the answer. And it did, 150. You can see if we go over to Yahoo, it grabbed it out of here. So, I asked it what's the stock price. It did a web search, got results, and then it did a scrape because it knows that these snippets are usually out of date or stale. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. This is on my GitHub. If you go to JakeDowns/MyGPT app, you can run this little Python script and just visit it in your browser. It saves station to a little SQLite database here. So under a graph of your choosing, hello world, okay. And so you can see the messages are in the database here. You can also think to yourself about something, and it should return a think. And most useful skill set in the job market 2025. That's a good question. Let's see. What do you think will be the most useful skill set? And well, it's trying to get secrets, so maybe that's a hint there. But yeah, that's this little thing I'm working on. Love to know what you think about it. Thanks for checking it out.